All right, Malagueña. This one has tons of great techniques to work on and tons of things to practice. So let's take a look at the first thing. We're going to make an E chord, and we're just going to alternate between the biggest string and the little string, and then the next string and that little string. So we go 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1 with that E chord, 2, 1, open, open down there. So we're going to do that twice. And this is in kind of a 3-bass time. This is like a 6/8. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and, see what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna give you a 3 count. We'll say 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that again a little slower. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you could get into a little loop on that and just keep practicing that. Let's do that a little bit. 1, 2, 3. And you might practice that with just different chords. Just has a great little technique for picking. Okay, so we'll go back to this one we got. Now we're going to jump down to this lower 2 and 1 and open. We're going to have 2 on the G string to little open, and then 1 on the second string to that little open. And then we go to the open on that second string, back to this 2, open on the G there, to the 3 on the D string to that little open. So each time it's the little open that you're alternating with. Okay, so it's. Okay, so if we put those together, we got. Okay, and that was like 2 bars of that A minor, so now we're back to the E. Okay, now we're gonna go back to this beginning of this E chord, but it's gonna end up a little bit different. We're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna go up from this 2 on the G string. Still the little string each time alternating. 2, 4, 5, and then second string, 3, 5, 6. So some cool sounds in there, right? Okay, so we had, this is the new part. 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. And then we're gonna have a new part. Okay, that's our new part. So we have the big 2, and then we have the rest of that chord, the 1, open, open. And then we're gonna flip this around. So we're gonna have 2, 4, and 3, and open. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go bass note to highest note, to then the chord, to the high note, chord, high note again. So it's. And then we're gonna go to this 2, 1, 0 and go. So we'll do the 2 of the G string to the little E, and then chord, high note, just like the other one did. So it's. And then we have a little riff. So that's 0, 1, 3, little open, 3 to 1. So B, C, D, E, G, F. Okay, so this whole new part is. We do it twice. Now we're gonna move on, we're gonna go. So we're gonna have 2 on the big one, 3 on the second, open on the little one, 4, 4 slides into 7. So it's. And then we're gonna go. So we go big 2 to these 5s in the middle strings there, 3rd and 2nd strings, little 5 to 8, and each time we gotta pop back to this bass note. This time we go 2 and we go. So that's like a D shape, and we're doing the 3rd and 1st strings to the 2nd, and then same thing down here, 2 frets lower. And now we're gonna go 2 to little open, and then 6, 7, open, open, going down. Okay, so. And then we're gonna have a series of like coming back to the 6. So this one we go 2 to the 6 on the second, and then we go 6, 7, 6, open, and then we go 2, middle finger 6, 7, 5, 6, open. So some great stuff going on here. So let's take a look back. Okay, that's our main part. That's gonna go twice. And then we start again the same, but then we're gonna do that 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6 walk up. And then we're in our new part. Okay, I'll do that real slow. Right, and that goes twice, and then we're into our latest thing. Okay, so you had the 2, 3, open, 4, 4, 7, and then we had the 2 to the middle 5s, little 5 to 8, and then we have 2, and this one we get a little bit of a pause there. This is the quarter note, so we get to go 1. Here we had that D shape, third and first strings to second, down 2 the same. And then we had the 2 to the little open, and then 6, 7, open, open. So 2, open, 6, 7, open, open. And then 2 to the 6, 6, 7, 6, open. And then 2 to the 6 with the middle finger, because we have this shape. 6, 7, 5, 6, open. Then we have a new thing that's going to go. So that's big string, open, third string with the 4th fret. Go down to the 3 on the second string, so, and then make like an A minor shape. And we have the 2, 2, 1. We're gonna go the big 2 with the 1 on the second to the 1 in between them. Then the last one is 3, 2, and open. We're gonna hit the open down here on the second string with the big 3, and go to the 2. So this whole last little part is. Okay, and then it goes back to the. Do that again, we go. There we go. We do this whole thing again to the open, 6, 7, open, open. And the ending. Okay, so let's take a look at everything we have done so far. Let's do a little play along with that first thing right there, nice and slow. I'll give you a 1 and 2 and 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and then we'll go to that A minor. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll do the E again. 2, 3. Keep on going to the A minor this time. Start with E again, and this is the one that walks up. 2, 4, 5. Use whatever fingers you like. I kind of use these the most. 3, 5, 6. Remember, each time it's the little E string. And then we're into this new part. We got. Right, we'll do that one again. And then we have our last part we were doing. And then we had. Okay, and then we're into the same type of stuff. be back in a... All right, stay tuned for more of that Malagueña for baritone ukulele. That was part 1. There'll probably be about 2 or 3 parts for this one. So tab with this. Hope you enjoy it. Next one will be coming up very soon. Have a great day.